Hi guys, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're gonna make coconut pudding. Okay, let's start by adding 1 liter of coconut milk in a pot and add 2 tablespoons of agar powder in. Well, I already added, but I forgot my recording. I'm sorry. Okay, this is the agar powder. You can find it at your local Asian market or online. I'm going to switch to a whisk, so it will be easy to separate of agar powder. Cook on low-medium heat until the agar powder is dissolved. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's dissolved, add 1/3 cup of sugar. Add more if you want more sweet taste. Then add a little of salt for more taste. That's it. Then let the sugar is dissolved. So you're good to go. Before we remove it from the heat, I'm brushing oil on a tray with to keep it from sticking. Okay, now the sugar is dissolved. Then we're going to pour it on the tray. There are some bubbles. Just use a spoon to take them out for smooth pudding. Then I got a can of coconut meat to put on top of the pudding. If you like fresh one, using a young coconut shell is fine, but I'm good with one in the can. Dice it up. Then put them on top, but I want to put on a half of it. Oh, I forgot. You know what I should have put on the bottom of it, so that when you turn another side up, you can be easily to see and cut, but it will be okay. Then let it for 1 to 2 hours. Once the time is up, you can see how firm it is. I'm going to use my hand gently to pull the edge of the pudding. Or you can use spatula to separate it from the tray. Then turn it over like this. Now turn the same side back. If you didn't add coconut meat, you don't need to do this many times. There you go. Then cut it, big or small size depending on what you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and cutting into big pieces. Wow, beautiful. Place on a plate. You're good to go. It tastes good when it's cold. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to thumbs up and share my video to your friends. I'll see you next time. Enjoy!